Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can link a Dorman Trading account with NinjaTrader 8. So the first thing that you want to do is to get your trading account credentials from your Dorman account. Once again, you want to get your trading account credentials. Your Dorman account password and login is going to be different than your Dorman trading account. So you want to open a trading account from Dorman, and from there we are now ready to head over to NinjaTrader. Inside the application, you want to click connections, click on configure, and simply inside we then have the available connections that we can make from or depending on our region. In my case, I have these different options right here. But for you, you then want to navigate through the Dorman Trading connection. Once again, this is going to be different from other regions. So in my case, I only have this available right here, but you can just head over to Dorman, double click on it, click on the Dorman option, and then it will prompt you to the configured option where you can simply edit out the connection name, some modifiers right here like the connect on startups, and finally you have your username and password. Just enter it right here, click on apply, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.